Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send PayPal emails. To begin, securely log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Send and Request tab at the top of the page. From there, you'll choose whether you're sending money to friends and family, which typically incurs no fees for you, or for goods and services, which includes buyer and seller protection. This initial step sets the stage for a smooth transaction. Next, you'll need to accurately enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. It's crucial to double-check the spelling of this information to prevent sending money to the wrong person. A small typo can lead to significant issues. PayPal will often display the recipient's name once you've entered their details, so confirm that the name displayed matches the person you intend to pay. This verification step is vital for secure transactions. Now, input the precise amount of money you wish to send. Be sure to specify the currency if it's an international transfer. After entering the amount, select your preferred payment method. You can choose from a linked bank account, a debit card, or your PayPal balance. Before proceeding, take a moment to thoroughly review all the transaction details, including the recipient, amount, and funding source. This final check helps prevent any errors. Finally, once you've reviewed everything and are confident in the details, click the Send Payment or Confirm button to complete the transaction. PayPal will then process your payment, and you'll receive a confirmation. It's a good practice to keep a record of your transaction ID, which can be found in your activity history, for any future inquiries. Always be vigilant against phishing attempts. Only log in through the official PayPal website or app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.